Hi everybody, Jackie here with Guy from Parcel BI. And Parcel BI is really a data repository, a data tool to help people that are having a lot in parcel spend so they can manage that and figure out savings. But carriers have the data for them. So what does Parcel BI do?
So the carriers, they do provide the data, but they don't archive it for you. And having your data automatically downloaded and archived for you can be very important. So for example, we had a customer who was actually being spun off and being bought by another company. And they wanted to be able to take their data with them because as soon as they lost access to those accounts, they wouldn't have that data any longer. So not only do we give them a longer term of data and a repository for the data, but now they can take their data with them and it can expose some very important things.
All right, so you kind of have an example to show what it can expose.
Yeah, we do. So in this particular case, we have a customer who was on a contract that was favorable to the way they shipped when they were at their first company. And then when they got spun off and acquired by another company, they were under a different contract. So one, we have the ability to store all these invoices that you have. So anytime you have a question about an invoice, you can quickly see it, understand the charges on the invoice. But now we're still storing all that invoice information. So they lost connection to that data when they moved to the new company. And what they found was that their largest accessorial charge was this additional handling fee based on the size of their boxes and what they were made out of. And the cost used to be maintained, but you can see that it kind of spikes over here. We're able to drill down into that data and see that it's for the packaging because they have a returnable container. And they were getting a discount on it, but those charges spiked when they moved to the new company because they were on a different contract.
So the discount was no longer there.
The discount was no longer there. So what they were able then to do is go back, understand the frequency of those charges and what they were getting charged for them, and go back to their new carrier. Well, it actually was the same carrier, but under a new contract. And they're able to say, this is where we were, this is what we were getting, we'd like to get that again. And they got that reinstated.
So it allows you to carry that data wherever you go. It archives it all for you. And it tells you, hey, this is how to negotiate a contract that is favorable to you and is favorable to your methods and your operations.
Right.
And if you have a contract that's not favorable, it's going to expose that.
You know where you need to negotiate those discounts because you can look at your spend and see what's impacting you.
That's incredibly powerful.
Very powerful.
And you guys offer free demos they can get right online.
Yep.
All right, so go and check that out at parcelbi.com/demo, or just check out the site in general to learn more. But signing up for your free demo, you get your data in there. You will learn in minutes how you can save. So go check it out. Thanks so much, Guy.
Thanks, Jackie.